I think that's two Bigfoot calling to each other, locating to each other. When it started, it was all up here on the ridge, and it was really loud, and I heard something walk up when I was sitting outside, right when I turned off the sprinkler. I tried talking, and it got pretty quiet, so I just came in, and after I came in, from up here it was really long whistles, and now the whistles are coming from down low, and it stopped from really long whistles to really short, quiet ones, like it knew it was drawing attention to itself up here on the ridge. And it's funny because there was an owl down low, and I heard two owls interspersed calling, and that was what I heard one night when I know it was Bigfoot after the fact. So I already thought, shit, is there a little one down there in the valley, like a different one, And I just don't normally hear that whistle. I can hear it down there. It's not the same call, it keeps changing anyway. They both kept changing and sounding different. Birds don't do that, they do the same calls the same every time. That's some weird noises. This one on the ridge stopped because they can probably hear me talking. Might be able to see me backlit in the window right now, in the door. If it's in the woods right there where I think it was watching me when I sat on the porch, but it made a noise. Like when I was out there, I heard a noise down, I was like, what the fuck? I tried to record, but it only made it 2 times. And it was like when my sprinkler was going, and scared the hell out of me though. That's why I think the one was watching me. I think it's made cat noises at me from the woods to the right before, it's let me know it's there before. And so this was something weird. It startled the hell out of me. And now I'm hearing these bird noise things, and they stopped. But I've never heard that noise. That is definitely weird. Seems like it stopped. I actually went out the door last night, the front door, to bring them food, and I heard it to the left of the garage. running away, like shoo, 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 taking like strong strides. I didn't follow it too far, I just like went right to where my stuff is. I got some stuff over there, I just kind of walked over, looked around. But it could have kept going around the rocks, it could have gone to the end of the shit where the bushes are and just hid. It's all grass after that. But I only heard like 3 strides and then it was poof, 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 and it was gone. I was trying to follow it, but it's crazy having them close. You just have to always be ready. I'm not sure though, those are some weird calls that I'm not used to, not familiar with, and I'm outside at night all the time, being quiet, listening, paying attention, waiting, just observing.